as Pujya Atma Chintan Swamiji has introduced that today is the day called Pramukh Varani Din. It's a very auspicious day for BAPS Swaminarayan Sanstha because the leader of BAPS Sanstha was appointed today 73 years back, and he followed the legacy of his guru for 70 years. And today, presently, we have Pragat Brahma Sarupa Mahanta Swami Maharaj Ji. You might have seen the photos when you have entered the premises today morning with two Gurujis holding Utsav Murti in their hand, following that Akshardam. So the next Guruji is Mahant Swami Maharaj. He is present today in Ahmedabad. As the Swamiji has said, this temple is Siddhi Vinayaka temple. Ganeshanaya Bhalachandraya Gauri Tanayaya Dhimahi. In that same, we used to sing a song and a slok. Vidyarthi labte vidya, dhanarthi labte dhanam, putrarthi labte putram, moksharthi labte gatim. So today, on this auspicious day, we pray to Vigna Vinayaka Ganesha Ji, Siddhi Vinayaka Ganesha Ji, Vidyarthi labte vidya. Those who are studying from our families, they earn the benefit of real study with materialistic study and spiritual study. Vidyarthi labate vidya, dhanarthi labate dhanam. Dhan, our atma, our soul is the prana of our body, but it has said that dhan is the next atma of human body for a grihastha. So to run the temple, to run the family, to run the nation, you need money. And we pray to Vigna Vinayak Ji today, on this auspicious day. On this auspicious day, we pray to God that they bless us, they train us, they make us, they create us so that we can make ourselves liable to God to sit with Him in His Dhama. So again, on this auspicious day, we pray to God, we pray to Vigna Vinayak Ji, and also it's a great fortune for the family that people are earning in this world. They are making money, making buildings, making houses, buying cars, everything. But to earn and to spend for spirituality is something different, which great achievement has achieved by the family. So also today, we thanks to the family to give us a rich and excellent mandir in Guntur. Secondly, we also request the family that we should follow the legacy of our parents. As you are following your father's legacy, we've been to the office and we have seen everything, good temples, small mandirs in our office. So when we keep the atmosphere divine, when we keep the atmosphere spiritual, God is going to be with us. Like we are making the sopari business but without tobacco, no tobacco. So it is benefit for the society. It's not harming the society. So today on this auspicious day, we pray to Akshar Purushottam Maharaj Ji, Pramukh Swami Maharaj Ji, whose centenary year right now we are celebrating. And there's a huge function for 1 month. For 1 month from December 15th to 13th of January 23. It's going to be a huge celebration for 1 month. And as we have come here today, and if you are planning, please let us know, please Swamiji know, we will arrange everything for you for that, for the visit. So thanks again for calling BAPS Swamijis and our Gurujis. It's divine presence we can feel from the moment we have entered Mr. Raghu Ramji, he has said that it's our tradition and we must follow the tradition. We must follow the tradition because today from 10:44 to 12:25 there was a Rahu Kal and he was telling us that Swamiji, we want to visit and we want your first feet in the temple after the Rahu Kal, and it happened the samely. The Rahu Kal time passes and we reach the temple. It's all done by Vigna Vinayak ji and Akshar Purushottam Maharaj, Guru Pramukh Swami Maharaj, Mahant Swami Maharaj. So we have all visited this place, this pilgrim, not place, not village. It's a pilgrim place now. It's next to the highway. So it's a pilgrim place for everyone. So we have visited, and Swamiji has also sanctified the whole of the mandir with our Ganesh ji Murti of 18 feet from single stone, which is excellent, marvelous. And he has said that the strength and the power in the Murti is something different. Whenever you come to this Murti, whenever you pray to this Murti with clear heart, with clear soul, your wishes are going to be true. But our soul should be pure and clear. Our goal should be pure and clear. So today again on this auspicious day, we pray for you all that we must follow the legacy which have given to us through our dharma, through our ancestors. Thank you so much. Jai Swaminarayan.